All right, well, here we are, Thanksgiving. You know what that means. We're already thinking about Christmas. So you're gonna have family over, right? You're gonna make breakfast. I'm gonna teach you how to make a delicious French style breakfast that will impress everybody. So we're gonna make French toast. We're gonna make an eggnog version of French toast, so hopefully eggnog hasn't been overdone on Christmas Eve and Christmas. Of course I got Amish bread, right? We're gonna make traditional French toast with a little bit of cinnamon and seasonings with the Amish bread. It's a honey wheat bread. And then we're going to make a cream cheese eggnog mousse. We're gonna stuff that, we're gonna retoast it. And then we're also gonna make a homemade syrup with equal parts of sugar. It's gonna have some pure maple syrup in it, and we're gonna stick some rum in there, right? So here we go.
Yeah.